Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Easy Recipes with Dee. Here I show you my favorite recipes, which are also very easy for you to create yourself. Today we are having very thin pork loin, a variety of vegetables in a gravy, and a side of rice. Let's get into it. First, we are starting with the rice since that takes much longer. Depending on how you cook your rice, the time will differ. The rice cooker I am using takes about an hour, and with prep and cooking, it finishes about the same time as everything else. For 2 people, I am using 3/4 cup of uncooked jasmine rice and 2 cups of water. To that, I add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give that a good stir and add it to the rice cooker. To have your rice less sticky, add a teaspoon of your choice of oil before cooking. Okay, for the vegetables today, slice 4 white button mushrooms, dice 1 small bell pepper, dice 1 medium carrot, chop 6 broccoli florets, dice 1 half white onion, and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Take your time dicing and slicing. You will get better and faster with time. With most bell peppers, you can push the stem and it will pop out. Also, taking the core out like this will help prevent seeds going everywhere. I love cooking, and I hope that this is fun and easy for you as well. If you have seen a recipe that you want me to cook and make easier, please let me know in the comments. I love finding new recipes and making them my own. This video is brought to you by Travel With Us for Life, where we show our travels worldwide here on YouTube. With us traveling and moving to different cities and countries, kitchens and appliances will differ. Small life hack for you. Before mincing the garlic, wipe a piece of onion onto the blade of the knife. This will help the garlic not stick to the blade. If you have made it this far, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment. It really helps support me and this channel. Time to season the thin pork loin. I only used a small amount of salt and pepper on each side. When sautéing the vegetables, I start with the minced garlic and let that cook for 1 minute before adding the rest. As you see, I put all of the oil to one side to let the garlic cook in it. Once you have added the rest of the vegetables, be sure to stir very well to release the garlic from the bottom, as it can burn easily. Then add your seasoning. I will be adding salt, pepper, and dried parsley. Give that another really good stir to get everything evenly coated. Stir this occasionally while cooking. It should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the vegetables are finished, take them out of the pan and set aside. Cooking the pork won't take long since it is so thin, but I cook it until brown on each side, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. After the pork is cooked, I add the vegetables back to the pan and add a tablespoon of flour. Stir well so there are no clumps of flour. Then add 1 cup of milk. This will give you a nice thick sauce or thinner gravy. Stir this occasionally while cooking since it will be boiling. While that is cooking, I'm dicing up the pork. Time to plate up and enjoy. As you see, the rice is stickier than in other videos. This is only due to not adding oil, so like I said before, if you want a fluffy rice that is not sticky, just add a teaspoon of oil. I really hope you enjoyed this, and if you cook this with me, let me know how it turned out for you. Have a wonderful day or night, and I will see you next time.